Hello guys, welcome to Fixit TV channel. In this video, I show how to use free version black screen tool and paid version black screen tool. Same tool, same concept. Sorry for my bad English. Okay, here your client PC, like your customer PC. This is my customer PC. Okay, got it. This is my UltraView. Okay, what I do now? First, we all do connect your customer in UltraView. Okay, I connect my customer PC like that. I connect my customer PC. Okay, sorry my poor English. Okay, I'm not good in English. Now this is our customer PC. Okay, this is your PC, like my PC. Okay, what I do now? First I send UltraView black screen tool to your customer. Okay, free version tool or paid version tool. I send to my customer. Okay, here see black screen tool, send like UltraView or upload and send free tool your customer. Okay, now what I do, open this paid tool, same like free tool. Okay, first I open. After open the tool, you must click install button. Okay, if you click install, UltraView show like two screens. One is normal screen, another one is virtual screen. What I do, sometimes some PCs not show dual screen, only after click install one screen. That time you do click hold Windows key plus P, then change extend display option. You must do all PC same concept. Okay, after install button you must click Windows plus P, extend the display. After you show some PC not show single screen, then you click Windows P, extend, so two screen in your UltraView. Okay, got it, note it. After two screen come UltraView, see customer screen, so only one screen, your side so two screens. Then what I do, then we all do scan monitor option. Okay, then you click right or left, mostly click right. Okay, the Windows settings open to right side or left. Then we set secondary screen as primary screen. Got it, we set our virtual screen is primary screen. Okay, I set my secondary screen to virtual screen. Now see, no icons in your my customer PC. Okay, only show task manager. Okay, this is how UltraView works, UltraView black screen tool works. Then what I do, then I click tool scan monitor again, the page will come secondary monitor, see customer monitor still not show anything. Then I block first monitor. This is paid tool, free tool is same concept work. Okay, paid tool logo and text is customized, it is paid, no need paid tool, use it free tool. Okay, the free tool link in description. Okay, then after your work complete, you untick the black screen and uninstall, screen is normal. Okay, once again I show how it works. You must click install button, you see double screen, customer see only one screen. Then you change secondary monitor as a primary monitor. Windows 10 same concept, same PC same tool. Second time you use, just click install, don't change again, set secondary monitor as primary, already you use it. Okay, same PC again use, don't set right click option, just install, automatically second screen set as primary screen. Got it. Here paid tool, I have taskbar black screen option, this is paid version. If you need paid version, ask me or contact me, description I give my WhatsApp group link and free tool link. You must use free tool only come black screen, not come text like logo, only come black screen. Free version tool, paid version tool only you set your logo and your customized text. How like this black screen tool works. Now you open any apps, any folder, like I open Redmi VPN. Customer side not so. Okay, also your screen is so small, you change option, click and set action monitor, click secondary monitor. Now you see big screen, customer not see anything. Okay, you work all your remote works hide here. Okay, this is black screen tool works. Sorry for my poor English. Okay, bye, see you next video. After your work done, click uninstall. Customer screen is normal, don't forget to uninstall button. That's all black screen tool works. If any doubt, ask me, I reply you. Okay, bye.